Imagine a charming city perched at the Franco-Italian border. Welcome to the gateway of the French Riviera. This enchanting city offers a unique blend of French and Italian cultures, a legacy of its historical transition from Italy to France in the year 1860. As you through the city, you'll be captivated by the tableau of colorful facades set against the backdrop of the rugged maritime Alps. Each corner turned reveals a new delight, from the vibrant boardwalks to the lighthouse pier. It's not just the sights that make this place special. It's the feelings it invokes. The air is filled with a sense of tranquility, and the panoramic vistas of azure waters meet the sky at the horizon, leaving an imprint on your soul that's simply unforgettable. An introduction to the allure of the Riviera, this city visitors yearning for more. From Menton, we journey to the medieval village of Ez, a secret sanctuary frozen in time. This hilltop hideaway, perched precariously above the Mediterranean, whispers tales of centuries past. Every cobblestone, every archway, every ancient doorway seems to hold a secret, beckoning us to delve deeper into its history. The trip to Ez is an adventure in itself, with the winding roads offering glimpses of azure waters and verdant hills, teasing us with the promise of the vistas that lie ahead. Upon arrival, the village greets us with a labyrinth of narrow streets, inviting us to lose ourselves in its timeless charm. But it's the exotic garden, perched at the village's highest point, that truly steals the show. A verdant oasis amidst the stone, it boasts a stunning collection of exotic flora. Yet, it's the panoramic views from this vantage point that truly take your breath away, offering a bird's-eye perspective of the French Riviera's stunning coastline. Ez offers a timeless escape, revealing the Riviera's historical depth and natural beauty. Next, we venture to the glittering Principality of Monaco, a playground for the wealthy. This petite yet opulent city-state, nestled between the azure Mediterranean and the towering maritime Alps, exudes an air of luxury that's hard to match. Home to the world's highest concentration of millionaires, Monaco's harbors are dotted with extravagant yachts, each more lavish than the last. Upscale casinos like the iconic Monte Carlo beckon with their glittering chandeliers and high-stake games, evoking an era of timeless glamour. But it's not just the shimmering wealth that captivates. Monaco's tax-friendly policies make it a magnet for the affluent, creating a unique blend of cultures from around the globe. Peel back the layers of opulence and you'll find a rich tapestry of history. From the ancient Roman remnants in La Turbie above to the grandeur of the Prince's Palace, Monaco weaves together the past and present in an intriguing narrative. Monaco, with its opulence and history, leaves an indelible imprint on the Riviera's narrative. As we journey further, we uncover the vibrant heart of the Riviera in Nice and the cinematic glamour of Cannes. Nice, a city of vivacious energy, is the beating pulse of the Riviera. Its lively atmosphere is painted by bustling markets, where the aroma of fresh produce and local delicacies fills the air, and the chatter of vendors and customers echoes the city's vibrant spirit. The azure coastline of Nice, a mesmerizing blend of sapphire and turquoise, is a sight to behold, with its pebbled beaches and promenade offering a perfect setting for a serene afternoon stroll or a refreshing dip in the Mediterranean. But the allure of Nice doesn't stop at its bustling markets and stunning coastline. Its old town, Vieille Ville, is a treasure trove of history and culture. Wandering its narrow, winding streets, lined with pastel-colored buildings and ornate churches, you can't help but feel the city's rich history seeping into your soul. And let's not forget the city's vibrant nightlife, where the energy of the day transitions into a lively symphony of music, laughter, and celebration as the sun sets. From the bustling energy of Nice, we transition to the serene elegance of Cannes. Known worldwide for its prestigious film festival, Cannes is a symbol of cinematic glamour and luxury. The city's red carpet, which rolls out annually for the who's who of the global film fraternity, has seen countless cinematic legends grace its steps. But Cannes is more than just its film festival. It's a city of exclusive beachfronts, where the rich and famous bask under the Riviera sun, and luxury yachts dot the sparkling blue waters. Its old quarter, Le Souquet, offers a quieter, more historical charm, with its cobblestone streets leading up to an old castle with panoramic views of the city. Nice and Cannes showcase the Riviera's multifaceted charm, from cultural richness to leisurely sophistication. These cities, so distinct yet so complementary, are a testament to the allure of the French Riviera, a place where the past and present coexist in harmony, and every corner tells a story of its own. We now venture into the wild beauty of the Estoril coast, a scene of dramatic contrasts. This stretch of the Riviera is a tapestry of dramatic red cliffs that plunge into emerald waters, a spectacle of nature that seems straight out of a painter's imagination. The Estoril coast is not just a geological marvel, but also a testament to the world's natural beauty, untouched by the hands of time. The Estoril coast is an intriguing crossroads, reminiscent of the rugged landscapes of the American Southwest, yet unmistakably Mediterranean in its charm. It's as if we're standing on a bridge between continents, caught in a moment of geographical transition that's both fascinating and awe-inspiring. But the Estoril coast isn't just for sightseeing. It's a playground for the adventurous at heart, with its secluded beaches and hidden coves waiting to be discovered. Each turn, each bend in the road, each footpath winding down the cliffs leads to a new surprise. Perhaps it's a tiny beach tucked away from the world, or a cove where the water sparkles just a little brighter. Each discovery is a treasure, a secret shared between you and the coast. The Estoril coast is a testament to the Riviera's diverse allure. It's not just about the glitz and glamour of cities or the historic charm of medieval villages. It's also about embracing the wild, the untouched, the breathtakingly beautiful landscapes that unfold before your eyes. The Estoril coast unveils a different facet of the Riviera's beauty, wild, rugged, and utterly captivating. Our journey takes us to Cap du Dromont, a place steeped in legend and natural splendor. This striking locale is marked by an iconic watchtower, perched on a tiny island just off the coast. This solitary structure has been the muse for countless artworks, and its most famous depiction is perhaps in the beloved comic series, The Adventures of Tintin. The watchtower story is steeped in the annals of legend. It's said to stand as a sentinel, guarding the coast against unseen threats, its silent vigil adding an air of mystery and intrigue to the landscape. This historical tale, combined with the natural beauty of Cap du Dromont, creates a unique atmosphere where the past and present seem to coexist. But Cap du Dromont is not all about history and legend. The natural beauty here is just as captivating. The red cliffs, contrasting sharply against the crystal-clear waters, create a stunning backdrop. Whether you're exploring the rugged terrain or simply relaxing by the water's edge, the breathtaking views are a constant companion. Cap du Dromont, with its blend of history and nature, offers a different dimension to the Riviera. It is a place where you can lose yourself in ancient tales, while being surrounded by some of the most stunning landscapes on the French coast. Cap du Dromont, with its tales and stunning vistas, adds a touch of enchantment to the Riviera experience. Finally, we reach Saint-Tropez, the epitome of Riviera glamour. This sun-kissed town, once a humble fishing village, has transformed into a playground for the rich and famous, yet it retains an undeniable charm that's purely French, purely Riviera. Its world-renowned beaches are a sight to behold. From the iconic Pampelonne Beach, stretching over 3 miles and lined with trendy beach clubs, to the tranquil Plage de la Bouillabaisse, offering a respite from the town's vibrant energy, these sandy havens are where sun, sea, and sophistication unite. As the sun sets, Saint-Tropez nightlife comes to life. The town buzzes with a unique energy as the glamorous and the bohemian converge in its lively bars and opulent nightclubs. The throbbing beats from beachside parties resonate with the rhythmic lapping of the waves, creating a symphony that's distinctly Saint-Tropez. The marina of Saint-Tropez is a spectacle in itself. Here, luxurious yachts from around the world dock, their gleaming hulls reflecting the vibrant hues of the setting sun. These floating palaces, some rivaling the size of hotels, are a testament to the town's status as a hub for the world's elite. Yet beyond the glitz and glamour, Saint-Tropez holds a quintessential Riviera charm. Its narrow, winding streets, lined with pastel-colored homes and filled with the scent of blossoming bougainvillea, lead to quaint cafes and artisan boutiques. The Place des Lys, the town's historic square, hosts a lively market where locals and visitors alike come to enjoy the fresh produce and regional specialties. Saint-Tropez is more than just a glamorous resort town. It's a place where tradition meets luxury, where the simple pleasures of a past era coexist with the opulence of the present. From the allure of its sparkling waters to the rhythm of its lively streets, Saint-Tropez captures the heart and soul of the Riviera. Saint-Tropez, with its chic allure and vibrant energy, perfectly encapsulates the irresistible charm of the French Riviera.